Hello everybody and welcome back to Yelan app. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix send error on Coinbase Wallet because myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close the app. So close your Coinbase Wallet app and instead you're going to open up your settings app. So go into your settings app and then scroll down in here and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general in here, scroll down a little bit again and click on storage right here as you can see. And now we're just going to wait just a couple of seconds for this right here to be able to completely load for me right here. And then what we're going to do, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the Coinbase Wallet app. This is what I did myself, by the way, and it worked. So I'm just going to scroll down and click on wallet right here, as you can see. So find the Coinbase Wallet app in here, click on offload app, and then once again, click on offload app in here and click on the blue button here again, as you can see. And just going to take us a couple of seconds here to be able to actually, as you can see, it's auto updating now to the latest version. It's not going to log out from your account, or it shouldn't log you out. Just so you know what it's going to do instead, it's going to automatically update your Coinbase Wallet app to the latest version. So after it's done, go back and try again, and hopefully that will now fix this problem for you.